How to get unbanned from Wizz app. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. If you have been banned from the Wizz application, no need to worry as the ban only exists up to few hours or few days. Now, if you want to get unbanned quicker, what you can do is you can search for Wizz help, then tap on contact Wizz. From here, you can enter your name, your email address that is associated with the Wizz app, then select who you are. After that, you can just type in your message that you have been banned and you want to be unbanned since you have not violated any of the terms and condition of your Wizz application. Also ensure that you never use a VPN connection while using your Wizz application, as it might be the reason why you are banned from the Wizz app on the first place. So you can check out the terms and condition of Wizz app in its website as well. Hopefully this video was informative to you, so go ahead and check this out. We'll see you very soon.